It's the beginning. It's always the beginning. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just going to host a beautiful song based on the Rabindra Sangeet, composed many years back by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a great honor to be on the stage, facing you all. So late at night, and we are just going to host that Rabindra Sangeet in a very composed manner. So please be on your seated. It's a song that comes with the name Ekla Cholo Re. Just go alone. It means that when you call somebody, when he doesn't respond, you just move along alone. Just don't get afraid of getting any sort of consequences. And when you move that, when you call on anybody, when you go with that, you do not be afraid of getting empty. It's all alone. So when you do not get the response from anybody, you are not to be afraid to walk along, to march along, to pave the way for your own. That's the beautiful song that we are going to compose. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a lovely evening that you have been here tonight. And your cooperation, without your confidence, that wouldn't have been successful. So once again, before saying good night, please enjoy this last song, composed in Bengali. Have the enjoyment. Thank you.
না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে